Hello, good morning students. Today is transcription number 247 on the speed of 100 words per minute. Start. Madam Deputy Chairman, the Jawahar Rozgar Yojana addresses itself to the need for employment guarantee in rural India. A program with similar objectives is required for urban India. The Nehru Rozgar Yojana as the urban counterpart of the Jawahar Rozgar Yojana. Already more than a quarter of our population lives in urban settlements. The incidence of poverty in our towns and cities is not very much lower than the incidence of poverty in the countryside. Indeed, the problem of unemployment is as pervasive in urban settlements as in rural areas and in many ways more complicated. The complications arise on account of a number of factors. We have to strike a balance between providing wage employment in urban settlements and provoking a flood of unskilled labor from rural to urban areas. Fortunately, the Jawahar Rozgar Yojana is so effectively tackling the problem of unemployment for unskilled labor in the countryside that it has now become feasible to plan for employment guarantee programs in urban settlements while striking the right balance between the rural employment program and the urban employment program. The Nehru Rozgar Yojana will be administered by the Nagarpalikas who, as in the case of panchayats under the Jawahar Rozgar Yojana, will be left free to choose what schemes to execute, to identify the beneficiaries, and to organize labor cooperatives of the urban poor to undertake the programs. Guidelines will, of course, be prescribed regarding the types of projects from among which the Nagarpalikas might make their choice, as also in regard to the financial and technical norms to be observed and the methods to be adopted for hiring labor. We shall make it indubitably clear that neither contractors nor public works departments shall be involved in this work. We hope the Nagarpalikas will pay particular attention to identifying projects that are useful to the community as a whole and in particular to the disadvantaged and weaker sections of society. We are instructing them to specially target at scheduled caste and scheduled tribe beneficiaries in proportion to their population, as also to facilitate 30% employment opportunities for women seeking employment. For larger urban settlements, there would be difficulty in merely replicating the Jawahar Rozgar Yojana model. For one thing, the materials component would rise too high for the accent to be placed firmly on employment generation per se.